Hi friends, welcome to KNVR Tech channel. In this video, now I am going to tell you how to write a C program to calculate sum of two numbers without using a plus operator. Generally, while writing a C program to calculate sum of two numbers, we'll use this logic. Hash include stdio.h main. Here our main function starts the execution of our C program. Opening the flower brushes, declaring a two integer variables and assigning them with some value. Let me take 2 and 3. Now to add these two values, we use a plus b, and we will store this to some another variable like I. I am declaring a variable I to store this value. Now to print the result in printf, we use %d comma I. This will print the result. Now this is a very general logic. Now we'll use another logic to solve this problem. I'm writing a header file hash include stdio.h. While we are using Turbo C or Turbo C++, we should use hash include conio.h also. Otherwise, while we are using in Dev C++, we no need to write this. I'm writing integer main. This means that it will return something which is an integer. And now I am declaring two integers equal to 2 and b equal to 3 and something a variable which I will use later in this program. Now to calculate this sum of a and b, I will write like this. Now I am using I as a iterative variable for this for loop. Initially I am initializing it to 1 and writing the condition, look at it carefully, and the iterative statement. And now I am printing the result %d comma a, return 0. I am closing the main function. Look at this carefully. Here this is our main logic. Now I will tell you how it works. Initially I is 1 and checking the condition I less than or equal to b. Now 1 less than or equal to b means 3. It is correct. So now our increment occurs in I, that is I plus plus. It will result I equal to 2. Now a also will get incremented, that is 2 is incremented to 3, that is a equal to a plus 1, that is 2 plus 1 a equal to 3. Now again it will check. Now it is I is 2, and now in this condition it will check the condition 2 less than or equal to 3. Condition is true. Now I will be incremented and a also get incremented, that is I plus plus means I plus 1, 2 plus 1, that is 3. Now before 3 is 1, a is equal to 3, and it will be incremented means it will increment by 1, that is a equal to 4. Now I equal to 3. Now again we will check the condition I equal to 3, I less than or equal to b means 3 less than or equal to 3, that is condition is true. Now I will get incremented, that is 3 plus 1, that is 4. Now I is 4 and a plus plus, that means 4 plus 1, that is 5, a equal to 5. And again, while a for loop is executing, I is 4, right? Here check the condition. I is 4. Now I less than or equal to b, that is 3. B is 3, I is 4. Now 4 less than or equal to 3. Condition failed. So the for loop execution stops now. Okay, and the result will be printed. Which is the result? A is the result. Printf %d comma a. We are using %d because a is an integer variable. That is, a is 5. In the result we get 5. See this code, friends. This is the code I have written in this video. I will run this code and I will show you the output. Here we no need to give any input because we are declaring a and b as static values as 2 and 3 respectively. I am running the code. See, we are getting 5 as our output. Okay. If you like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel to get some more. This will be very useful in placement and training. Okay, thank you.